A Canadian tapestry, wilderness from coast to coast, Canada, a land of breathtaking landscapes. Towering mountains pierce the sky, their peaks reflected in pristine glacial lakes. Vast boreal forests stretch as far as the eye can see, a mosaic of green and gold. Rugged coastlines meet the relentless ocean, sculpted by wind and wave. This is the beauty of Canada's wilderness, a tapestry woven from diverse ecosystems, each teeming with life. From the iconic polar bear roaming the Arctic tundra to the elusive spirit bear haunting the old-growth forests of British Columbia, Canada's wildlife is as varied as its landscapes. This natural heritage is a source of national pride and a vital part of our planet's biodiversity. Protecting this wilderness, however, is a responsibility as immense as the land itself. It requires a concerted effort, a commitment from individuals, communities, and governments to safeguard these natural treasures for generations to come. Guardians of nature national parks and conservation areas. These sanctuaries are the beating heart of our planet, preserving the essence of the wild. At the heart of Canada's conservation efforts lies a vast and intricate network of protected areas, national parks, national marine conservation areas, and national wildlife areas. These regions are meticulously maintained to ensure the survival of countless species and the preservation of diverse ecosystems. These spaces represent the very best of Canada's natural heritage, showcasing the country's incredible biodiversity and ecological diversity. From towering forests to expansive wetlands, each area is a living museum of natural wonders. Banff National Park, established in 1885, stands as a testament to this commitment. It was the first national park in Canada and has since become a symbol of the country's dedication to preserving its natural landscapes. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff is home to glaciers, alpine meadows, and an abundance of wildlife, including grizzly bears, elk, and bighorn sheep. The park's diverse habitats provide a sanctuary for these species, allowing them to thrive in their natural environment. It serves as a model for balancing ecological integrity with responsible tourism, allowing visitors to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of nature while contributing to its preservation. Eco-friendly tourism initiatives ensure that the park remains pristine for future generations. Beyond Banff, a constellation of national parks and conservation areas stretches across the country. Each park is a unique gem, contributing to the mosaic of Canada's natural beauty. From the windswept shores of Prince Edward Island National Park to the rugged coastline of Pacific Rim National Park Reserve, each protected area tells a unique story of Canada's natural heritage. These parks are living narratives of the land's history and its ongoing evolution. These areas are not only vital for the survival of countless species, but also provide Canadians and visitors from around the world with opportunities to connect with nature, fostering a sense of wonder and responsibility for the natural world. They offer a sanctuary for the soul, a place to find peace and inspiration amidst the beauty of the wild. The legislative shield government policies safeguarding the wild. Protecting Canada's wilderness and wildlife extends beyond the boundaries of parks and protected areas. It encompasses vast landscapes, from the rugged mountains to the serene rivers, and the diverse ecosystems that thrive within them. It requires a comprehensive approach, one that addresses the broader environmental challenges facing the country. This includes tackling issues such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change, which all have far-reaching impacts on the natural world. The Canadian government has enacted legislation to address these challenges, creating a legal framework for conservation. These laws are designed to protect the environment and ensure sustainable use of natural resources. The Canada National Parks Act, for example, provides the legal basis for the creation and management of national parks, ensuring that these areas are protected for present and future generations. This act helps preserve the natural beauty and biodiversity of these regions. The Species at Risk Act, or SARA, offers legal protection to species deemed at risk of extinction, outlining measures to prevent further decline and promote recovery. This act is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems and protecting vulnerable species. Furthermore, Canada has committed to international agreements such as the Convention on Biological Diversity, demonstrating its dedication to global conservation efforts. These commitments highlight Canada's role in the global community and its responsibility towards environmental stewardship. These legislative measures, combined with ongoing research and monitoring programs, provide a crucial framework for protecting Canada's natural heritage. Continuous scientific research helps in understanding the changing dynamics of ecosystems and informs policy decisions. However, the effectiveness of these policies relies on robust enforcement, adequate funding, and a continued commitment to adapting to emerging challenges. It is essential that these policies are not only implemented but also regularly updated to address new environmental threats and ensure long-term sustainability. Section 4. Beyond the Law: Conservation Organizations and Their Impact. While legislation provides a crucial framework for conservation, the dedication of countless individuals and organizations breathes life into these efforts. Across Canada, a multitude of conservation organizations work tirelessly to protect wilderness and wildlife, their efforts as diverse as the ecosystems they strive to protect. The Nature Conservancy of Canada, for example, focuses on land conservation, acquiring and managing ecologically significant areas to ensure their long-term protection. Ducks Unlimited Canada dedicates its efforts to wetland conservation, recognizing the vital role these ecosystems play in supporting biodiversity and mitigating climate change. From grassroots community groups organizing shoreline cleanups to national organizations advocating for policy change, the conservation movement in Canada is a testament to the power of collective action. These groups conduct vital research, educate the public, and engage in on-the-ground conservation efforts. Their passion and dedication are essential to addressing the complex challenges facing Canada's wilderness and wildlife. Section 5. Biodiversity: The Beating Heart of a Healthy Ecosystem. The term biodiversity might seem like a scientific concept, but it represents something fundamental to the health of our planet, the incredible variety of life on Earth. This variety is not just about the number of species, but also the genetic diversity within those species and the ecosystems they form. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, each species plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Insects pollinate plants, whales regulate marine environments, and every organism, no matter how small, contributes to the overall health of the planet. Consider the boreal forest, a vast ecosystem that stretches across Canada. This forest is not just a collection of trees. It's a complex network of life that supports countless species. Within this seemingly uniform expanse exists a hidden world of interconnected life. Each plant, animal, and microorganism plays a part in this intricate web. The woodpeckers that carve out nests in dead trees create homes for other birds and small mammals. These nests become vital shelters, demonstrating how one species' behavior can benefit many others. The fungi that decompose fallen logs release nutrients back into the soil, nourishing new growth. This process of decomposition is essential for the recycling of nutrients, ensuring the forest remains fertile and vibrant. This intricate web of life, this biodiversity, is what allows the boreal forest to thrive and provide essential services like carbon storage and water filtration. These services are crucial not only for the forest itself, but for the entire planet. Protecting biodiversity is not just about saving individual species, it's about safeguarding the very systems that sustain us. Conservation efforts are vital to maintaining the balance and health of our ecosystems. When we lose biodiversity, we weaken the resilience of ecosystems, making them more vulnerable to collapse. Deforestation and habitat destruction are major threats that can lead to the loss of countless species. The consequences of such a loss are far-reaching, impacting everything from food security to climate regulation. A world with diminished biodiversity is a world at risk, where the delicate balance of nature is disrupted, leading to unforeseen and potentially catastrophic outcomes.